do. And Sharon's calling me, Davy. We gonna drink that good old Mountain Dew. So off the jail they took poor Davy. Pretty soon the gates were open wide. The angel they came from Davy. Red curveball across great divide. So all right now, Davy. Go down Mountain Dew. And Sharon's calling me, Davy. We won't drink that good old Mountain Dew. So come on down Mountain Headed Davy. Well, come on down Mountain Headed Davy. And Sharon's calling me.